Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious waffles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For the wet ingredients, have 2 large eggs, 1 1/2 cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted butter ready. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's get our batter ready. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and sugar. In a separate bowl, gently combine the eggs, milk, and melted butter. Once both mixtures are prepared, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry. Stir everything together until it's just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to tough waffles, so stop as soon as the ingredients are incorporated. With your batter ready, it's time to fire up the waffle iron. Make sure to preheat it thoroughly to the recommended setting. A little cooking spray or melted butter will prevent sticking. For each waffle, pour about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of batter onto the hot iron. Close the lid and let them cook for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Once your waffles are perfectly cooked, carefully remove them from the iron. They're best enjoyed fresh and warm. You can top them with anything your heart desires. Classic choices include a drizzle of maple syrup, a dollop of whipped cream, or a handful of fresh berries. These homemade waffles are a delightful treat for breakfast, brunch, or even a special dessert. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.